everybody? Today we are going to be playing Gunfight Arena because we haven't played it in a long time, just like Block Fruit and something else. So let's play Gunfight Arena real quickly. What should we do now? I'm gonna try the new weapon or the new reworks of the P90, I think. It's called P90, I think. The loading's pretty bad. Yeah, the loading's pretty bad, bro. Oh my gosh. Ah, finally! Got a free spin. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Oh, they updated this? I didn't know. So they actually updated this thing. 500k! No way! No way! Stop there! Stop! Let's go! 500k! That's actually not bad, bro. So I have played this once in this update. So they actually updated that one, and they updated the map too. There's a new map, I think. Yeah, there's a new map. And I bought the MPL. I'm gonna try the EM2 because I have tried this in a not this game, but in a old game that I played. So usually I use the honey badger, like you guys know. My friend suggested that I use something else like MPL, Stoner. So I actually bought Stoner because I didn't know it will OP or not. Bro, how am I supposed to get kills when it is already almost dead? Got him. Oh, I did it. I thought that was my teammate, bro. I actually thought that was my teammate, man. Oh. Did I throw it? Oh. What? Okay, so in this video, I guess I am going to be playing the new update and the new map. I'm gonna try to get the new map. Spawn kill time. Bam. Bam. Oh man. It's okay, bro. I get 7 kills in 2 minutes? Sheesh, dude. I'm on a hot streak. You kill me, I kill you. That's the motive on me. You kill me, I kill you. Oh my god. Bro, how am I supposed to? Never mind. I'm not gonna rage quit. Okay, so guys. Oh, how did I get so fast? Sheesh. 530 on what? So guys, I actually found a new glitch just today. Oh, there it is! Moon. Please, Moon. That's the new map. Let's try the new map, guys. We actually found it first try. Let's go, bro. Moon. So, let's try the new map. What? No! It's not the new map. Bam. What? How did I not hit him? How did I actually not hit him? Got one. I got one. Let's go. Max level. Oh my god. I reached max level. That means prestige. Permanent 15% more credits, 150 credits, access to 1 prestige, 1 camels. You will be set back to level 0. Let's go! Let's go! Prestige! We are now level 0, but we can now... Wait, it reset all of my guns? Okay. Oh my god. It reset all of my guns? Wait, don't tell me that my mouse are... No. No! I need to buy it. You know what? I'm gonna buy it. That's actually the most OP gun. Ain't no way I'm not gonna buy it, bro. Now, AK-47, and then I am gonna try to get all of my weapons back. Right now I only have honey badger and AK-47. No. That's free? What the? So where's the prestige gun? Prestige. This is the prestige gun? You serious, bro? I need to buy it. Bro, I thought you didn't have to buy it. Yeah, it's okay, bro. We can get more. Wait, don't tell me my camos are... No, winter camo pack, blizzard. Oh wait, I can use blizzard? I can use blizzard? Oh, no, I can't. Wait, what? What happened to my mouse? Bro, what? I can't move my what? Ah, finally. G11, okay. I am now going to be tryhards. What am I using right now? Am I using the... Please tell me I'm using the honey badger. Yeah, I'm gonna use honey badger. I really love honey badger, bro. Really. To be honest. Watch out for enemies. Gonna oof him. Bam! Bam! Look at that double kill, bro. Ow. Okay, never mind. That was not a double kill. That was a bad kill. Pretty... Oh, sorry. Oopsies. Meow. For field. I don't need that for field. For field is for users. Bam! I threw a grenade. That should kill them. That should kill them. Please tell me that. Let's go! I'm level 1. Really, bro? Bro, that's nothing. That credit is nothing, bro. Bro, why can't I? Bro. What? Meow. Meow. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh hell no. Don't click H. Do not click H, guys. I repeat. Do not click H if you... Bam 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 bam. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Oh. I want a... Wait a minute. Is all my... No, please don't tell me my 100 drone is gone now. Don't tell me my 100 drone is gone. No! 100 drone. I need to purchase it again. You serious right now, bro? Man! Oh. Bro using sniper. Really? Oh my god, bro. These people are actually tryhards. They are not going to win against me. I ain't letting them. Oh, they killed me with 100. I hate this. My 100 zone's gone. All my guns are gone too. Everything's in my list are gone. And I leveled up my freaking. Oh my god. I hate this so much. So freaking much. I should have not prestige. I didn't know because I never prestiged. My friend has. I'm holding a freaking hill. What the? Oh my god. He's using the same gun as me, bro. Where is everybody now these days? Not sniper. If it's not sniper, it's Honey Badger. If it's not Honey Badger, it's AK-12. If it's not AK-12, it's the M16A1. Bro! What? When I try it, it's not OB. But when everyone's tried it, it's OB. Like, it's not fair, bro. It's not me like raging. Ah! Oh my god, I got jump scared. Oh my god. My god, bro. Oh my god, man. Why can't I just... I'm quitting, bro. I cannot even shoot. Fight. Assist. Assist. That's it. Assist. That's it. Assist, bro. Really, man? Assist. Assist. Yeah, right. Assist, huh? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Got him. Minimum, I got one. Full use just one plus one. Got him on. Got him low, got him low. Okay. Just aim. Just aim, got him. You can say no. Bam, right there. Oh nah. I need to buy M4A1. I have to RPD. I should stoner. M4A1. Where is that sniper at? Where actually is that sniper? It should be in the middle. Aha! M4A1. It cost. Oh my god. I hate this, man. I hate this, bro. At least give me something. Got him. Oh my god, bro. Damn! Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh, dude. Bad conditions always comes in bad day. Bam! Got him. Let's go. I got kills. At least I got kills. Let's go. Ha. What you ain't gonna do now, eh? Never mind. He used the launcher. I got the oh my god, bro. It was not me that even killed. I hate this. I hate this. I'm not gonna proceed anymore. All of that for nothing. Oh nah! Oh no. Oh my god! I thought it was my teammate. Because it came from my back. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 52k! Okay! I got more than the second place. Sheesh! Okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. I guess that's it for the video. Getting killed and playing the new update even though we didn't get it. The new map. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!